Hey, Kai here. Today we answer the big question. What is AI? Spoiler, it's not a robot takeover. It's more like a super smart study buddy. Kids and kids at heart. Let's go. Step 1. AI stands for artificial intelligence. Fancy words for a computer program that learns patterns, like how you learn spelling or math. Think of it as a robot brain that reads lots of examples and gets better at helping. Robot brain unlocked, brain wiggle. Step 2. Real examples. AI can help you spell tricky words, explain homework steps, or brainstorm story ideas. It's like asking a really patient tutor who never gets tired. Pretty cool, right? Examples nailed. Homework disco. Step 3, safety power-up. AI tools need accounts and internet. Always grab a parent, teacher, or grown-up before you sign in. They help with passwords and keep you safe. Teamwork wins. Safety squad, safety robot. Step 4. AI is not magic and not always right. It guesses based on what it learned. Sometimes it makes mistakes, like when autocorrect changes your word to something silly. That's why you double-check with a grown-up. Mistakes happen. Mistake floss. Step 5. Try it with a grown-up. Open grok.com in your browser. We showed you how in episode 1. And ask something fun like, what are 3 cool facts about dolphins? You just used AI like a pro. You used AI Pro Party. Victory dance. Recap. AI is a helpful computer brain. It helps with school stuff and ideas. Grown-ups help you stay safe. And it's okay if AI goofs. You're the boss. See you next time. Thanks for learning with Stick Figure Tech.